Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So we got a product. This is a dehumidifier. Let's unbox it. I'm here with my little helper, my daughter, which is going to help me unboxing this box, and let's find out what inside and how it looks. Yeah. Pull it the other way around. Yeah. Be careful the knife. Not too deep, not too deep. Give it. So this is a probreez dehumidifier. So recently it's winter time, and during the autumn and winter we got a lot of mold in our house. So we thought of fixing this, and it will help me drying our clothes faster. So it is a feature where we could just put to dry our clothes in a faster way. So let's see how it works. So this product is a bit heavy. It's not like any other, this the gadgets like a air purifier or something. This is very light. This has a compressor, so it's a bit heavy. I got this on a deal in the Black Friday sale. I'm on Amazon, so it's about I got it about 118 pounds. So it usually, the price is around 130 pounds. So yeah, it looks nice, pretty compact size, and it has wheels, so it would
easy to spin instead of lift.
Yeah, it's easy to move it around. So I have seen like other products which has a bit of like a handle kind of a thing to carry it around. So it's heavy, so the wheel is better always. So let's find out. Let's switch it on and let's see how it works. Take this off.
Oh. Can I keep it?
Yeah, you can keep it.
I can open that.
So this is a tray, I think, where the water will be collected. It's about 2 liter, and this is a pipe where if you want to drain the water directly, so the dehumidifier will not stop running. So even if it is full, the tray is full, it will keep on running. So there's a reason they have provided a hose. You could just you could put this water outside, let's say in a bowl or somewhere, so that it could run the entire night.
And
so this one is about it says it would extract the moisture about 12 liter a day if it ran continuously. So let's see how it behaves or how it works over the time, and I'm going to switch it on, like I put it on throughout the night and see like how much moisture it will extract. I'll show you in the morning how much it had collected the water. Yeah.
And there's also a plug for it.
Yes.
This would be good.
And one more thing, I think the probreez is claiming it's very energy efficient. It takes about 4p per hour. So if you run continuously for a day, it will be still cheaper. About 2 pound max it will consume if you run it throughout the day. So let's see. I'm going to plug it on.
Holes to push you.
Can you put?
Yes, I can. Oh, serious. There's another.
Yeah. So now, power it on.
That's red now.
Yeah. So it's red now. That means the room is humid. It has an auto, I think, humid detection system. So let's see. See about. No, I have to set it like what level I want, I guess. This is level 76 now. Let's see modes.
It's very warm.
It's a night mode.
This
Auto.
Is
Continuous. Right, I think it works in 3 different modes. I'll put this in auto. And it has a speed, I think 2 different speed. This is timer. Just wondering how to, okay, how long you want to run. Maybe this is in hour, let's say 6 hours. It will run for 6 hours. The humidity has come down to 75 now. So speed, timer. Yeah, let it run for some time and we'll see like how much the water it has collected. And it's not very noisy though. I think you could hear the sound. It's been very quiet.
It's not too loud.
Within few minutes you could see the moisture level has gone down to 74, 73 now. So hopefully it's working. And we'll see if it has collected any water so far. No water is collected. And as soon as I took out this tray, it stopped working. And let me see, put it back.
Water doesn't like go and spill.
Spill, yeah.
So it doesn't like, it won't spill in the area.
Yes. We start it again. So I will let it run for some time. I'll come back again. Thank you very much. Hi. I let it run for the entire night. And it has, let's see how much water it has extracted. Oh my god. It's completely full. You could see. It's completely full, so it might have stopped automatically when it reaches the desired level. Let me pour it down. So this means it's working fine. So I hope it will reduce the moisture and the mold in my apartment. So thank you very much guys for joining with me. Thanks.